This is Prepright. So I just do the first introduction, right? Imagine you are applying for your dream job. You upload your resume, carefully tailor it to match your job description, and hit apply. But what happens next? You are one of the thousands of candidates competing for the same position, and only a same small percentage make it past screening process. Many talented individuals struggle not because they lack potential, but because they are not adequately prepared for the technical assessment and interviews. Introducing Prepright, an AI powered platform designed to bridge the gap by assessing skills, providing targeted learning resources, and offering real time interview simulations to help candidates succeed in hiring process. So I just mentioned you the what are the problem statements, right? The current job application process is highly competitive. More than 75% of resume never reach human recruiters due to ATS filtering, right? Even those who do get shortlisted often struggle with technical interviews, where only 20 to 30% of candidates advance to the next round. This is a clear disconnect between job requirements and candidate preparedness, leading to missed opportunities for both applicants and employers. Traditional learning methods are generic, time consuming, and do not adapt to individual weakness. Candidates need a structured, data driven, and personalized approach to a job preparation. And that's exactly what Prepright offers. Yeah, so now what I will do, I will ask Siddharth to go. One moment. Give me a minute. I need to. Yeah.
Hey,
You too.
Uh, Hi, am I audible? Or is the audio still looping?
it's good. Yeah, I can hear you now. Okay.
Yeah, okay, cool. Uh, Shivam, can you share the
Yeah.
slides again?
Yeah, sure. One moment.
Yeah. So about the product, right? We kept the process as simple as we could keep it. Um, you just upload the job resume that you have selected for the job and the job description. Next, the AI analyzes the uploaded data. It identifies the skill gaps and the mismatches in the resume or the disconnect in the resume and the job description. The system compares the candidate existing skills with those needed for the job. It highlights the gaps where additional learning or experience is required. Then it gives an assessment on to decide how skilled you are in the current role. So it suggests questions based on the current resume and the job description. Based on the answers provided in the questions, the AI will now prepare a personalized preparation plan to help go through the interview. The plan focuses on high impact areas, basically the areas in which you currently lack for the interview. So rather than spending time on just broad learning and going through all the material, you get tailored recommendations, and this ensures that they concentrate on the skills that will make the most impact. The AI highlights the areas of improvement, focuses on the skills that are needed for the job readiness. Yeah, and next slide, please. Yeah. So we use React, Node.js, and CSS for the website part of the app. We use mainly Python and LangChain to support the backend and getting the recommendations. And finally, we use Gemini and OpenAI for generating the questions and generating the resume plan, then generating the interview plan. Yeah. So here's how the website, like the web app, looks currently. You just this is the assessment page where the questions are generated and we have to answer them. And based on the answers and the resume and the job description, you will get a personalized plan on seeing how uh, on how ready you are for the interview, and identifies the high impact areas. We'll now go to the live demo after this. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, can you hear me? Yes. Okay. I hope you can see my screen. I'll just this is Prepright, and yeah. Uh, okay. Okay. So yeah. So I'll show you how the application works. Let me just first choose file. So I'll just choose my resume right here first, and the next is the job description. So it can be whatever the job description that you're looking for. You can look in from the LinkedIn as well. I have saved one job description already, but it can work with any job description that you choose. So I'll just go here, right? So I am applying for an AI engineer job, so that's what it is all. Just copy it. Yep, one moment. Okay, something is. Okay, here we go. I'll just paste it and I click on continue to skill assessments. Yeah. So now what is happening is that when you upload your resume and job description, so both of the things can be in any discipline. It's not only related to AI, it can be from HR department, it can be from any skills, right? So it covers end to end any job type, and from high end CEO job to any clerical job you can apply. So we are preparing for our summer internships, and we were thinking, yeah, why not just create uh, an AI application for us. Yes, so this is what we did. And now what we are able to do is that when we upload a resume, and the second thing is that when we upload a job description, what happens is that uh, when we click on it, then we are applying. Okay, wait a minute, so what is happening? Let me just check. Okay, here it is. So let me just do the start over here. Is it due to sharing my screen? One moment. Okay, just give me a minute. I'm stop sharing and just maybe it might work. Okay, yeah, now it's working. Finally. So let me just share my screen again. Entire screen share. Okay, so here we are back, right? When I clicked on okay, then the skill assessment is here. So the main uh, target here is that we should be able to write all the answers that we have. You should know what you are talking about: binary classification, random forest, bias variance, right? Data data set significance, class imbalance, everything, right? You should know everything about if you're applying for that job. But for the time purpose, what I'll just do, suppose I'm a beginner, I don't know anything, and I want to learn how to bridge the gap. I'll just write no idea, not sure, right? Maybe bias variance, okay, trade-off, oh, I have heard about it, but I want to write something. But okay, let's just write not sure right now. Okay, you can write all the things that are required. I'll just click on continue. Now suppose I'm a beginner and I don't know anything. What I look for is the maybe 14 days are enough for me to write to generate yeah, to prepare for this application, for those that supposed job application, right? So what I'll do, I just click on submit and choose that 14 days plan. Now, what is happening is that now it is currently processing your resume and the job description and the answers that you have given, right, correctly. Now, what it will do, it will find the gap where you are. You include using your resume as well as your answers, and it will show the answers. It takes a minute for now because we are using cheap APIs currently. Yeah, now, but yes. So let give it a minute. I'll just show you the results that we have already created. Meanwhile, it is loading. Okay, it loaded. Nice, nice. So now what it is showing that, yeah, according to your resume, you're an intermediate level, but according to your answers, you are requiring a lot of um gap that we can found. And this is the we have prepared a full 14-day plan for you that are required for you to prepare for this. And if you see what is remaining, it goes day by day. You can click on any link, it will open it up for you what you need to learn about it, right? The be it lead code problems, it will show you what you need to learn about it, right? It will show you the problem set that you need to complete on that day, right? Maybe the system design you need to understand, that will be there. Yes, so that is all. Okay, let me just go back to the PPT now. I'm on mute. Okay, future scope. You can talk about.
Yeah, thank you, Shivam, for the demo. In the future, we have plans on like a real skill evaluation time in which there won't be a single. This won't be a single agent app. It will be a multi-agent process. It'll also we'll also planning to have a resume tailoring feature on the app, and we also have a plan to simulate like real world interview scenarios in which there may be an it's like an audio interview or maybe like a immediate technical interview based on the resume and the job application. Yeah.
Yep.
Awesome. Well, this is amazing, guys. Just want to say thanks so much for this presentation.